Hi YouTube, if I decide to post this. The reason my hair looks like this right now is because I'm gonna do a little hair experiment, okay? So, I have layers upon layers of different dyes. Now, under all of this is blonde, but on top of all that, or on top of the blonde, is like just so much dye. I think the most recent, like the color that I put on top of the blonde was red, so that's probably the most prominent color under here. And then after red, I think I just straight up dyed it black, but like clearly it's not black anymore. It's blonde-ish in places. When I let my hair down, it's like there's these little blonde tendrils here. So I don't know what's gonna happen. This is also a completely different dye than what I used on this part. This was like a light brown and this was a dark brown. I don't know why I did that. So my hair is not the same color anywhere. There's a lot of banding, there's a lot of fucked upness in it. But I went to my dad's house because I have divorced parents and, you know, switch houses and stuff, right? And in my room at my dad's house, I found a box, and don't judge me, because yes, it's box dye, but I already know that this could go terribly wrong. It's fine. I found this Color Easy blonde dye at my dad's house that I bought previously and never used. It is from Dollar Tree. It was $1, but I've also used their black and brown dye, and I love and also their red dye. It turned my hair, it's like an auburn color, but my hair was light at the time, so it turned it orange. But I really like their dye. I've used their blonde once and it didn't work that well, but we're gonna do it anyway because why not? So I'm not gonna film me applying the dye because that's just really hard and I don't want to edit and all that. But also, sorry about my makeup. I also like just woke up and I always forget to take off my makeup before I fall asleep, so this is a mess. But yeah, I'm not gonna film me dyeing it, but I will film the after. Like, can you see that? I don't know if you can see, like, all the different colors that I have in here. Like, this shit's not gonna, it's not gonna be even. I know that for sure. But I'm just so sick of my hair. So, we're just gonna see. I'll be back once my hair is done. And if it's a fail, maybe I'll end up on that one. Hair guys. The hairstylist, what's his fucking, Brad Mondo. Maybe I'll just fuck up and end up on his channel. Nobody knows. I hope I don't fuck up. We'll see. Oh, I'm back. There is a bag on my head, which some people might give me shit for, but like, I'm not about to go through the whole foiling my head process because I struggle with foils so hard. They don't do what I need them to do. Maybe it's just because I'm like not a hairdresser. I don't know how to use that shit. I tried it once. It didn't work. It was a pain in the ass. I'm just gonna stick with the good old Walmart bag method. That's up here because heat pushes all the hair like toward the scalp. Heat from the scalp helps it do the thing faster. I don't need to explain that because I think most people watching this video have probably seen other hair videos and they probably know that heat helps. And if you don't, now you do. If I brought my hair straight, no, not my hair straightener. If I brought my blow dryer, I would use that. Like, just over the bag, like maybe once in the middle or once toward the end before I rinse it out. Also, I'm gonna leave it in. Hi, I don't know how to stop talking and just get to the fucking point because like I really want it to like set in, but because this isn't just like, I don't know, like brown hair dye or like just a regular like fashion color like blue, like say I just had blonde hair and put blue on it, that shit I could leave in overnight. In fact, I used to when I was a scene kid and had every color of the rainbow. I would leave it in overnight and rinse it out in the morning. That is fine, but this is a dye that has a developer. It's essentially really cheap bleach. It can and probably will damage my hair. I've accepted that. I don't know how long I'm leaving it in. I'm just gonna eyeball it, I guess, keep looking, and then when it looks like it's stopped lightening and or starts burning my hair, then I will rinse it out. But until then, I will see you once this is done. So this is how that turned out. I didn't like saturate it because I kind of just wanted to see how I felt about the lighter stuff, so I made it lighter in the front just so I could see how it is with like my face, you know, and I'm kind of into it. So I think what I'm gonna do is after I'm done cleaning, I'm gonna buy better hair dye that's not from the dollar store, fix whatever's going on with my dark ass bangs and my roots, what the fuck, and then dye it again because this is not how I want it. You can see the red.
Still can't stop talking. Oh my god.
Oh, it's a lot of red, actually. I didn't realize that was so much red. Well, I'm gonna do it anyway. My hair might fall out. I don't care. It'll give me an excuse to shave my head. I think I'll be fine though, because if anyone knows me, you know I've done some ridiculous shit with my hair and with bleaching my hair. This is nowhere near the most damaged it's been, or probably will be. I will survive. My hair will survive. And yeah, so I'll be back if and probably when I decide to re-dye my hair. So, bye. So, I'm back. This is my hair after it's like dried. I don't know if I showed you guys that. I think I did. My makeup's not fucked up anymore. I just don't have eyebrows anymore. But it's because I bought makeup wipes. I also got, and you're gonna laugh at me, but I bought 2 boxes of this. Now, listen, on the side it says, like, in the dark bits, it's gonna get that light. I know I'm not gonna get that light in one day. It's just not how hair works. Like, this is dyed all kinds of crazy up in there. Like, it's just not gonna work like that. And that's okay, but I do want to see how light I can get, so that's what I'm gonna do. If my hair falls out, I'll probably just shave it because I've been wanting an excuse to shave it anyway. Sorry, I'm just playing with my hair. It's like really fucking dark up here. I don't know why I would do that to myself, but that's where we are now. So I'm not gonna record myself dyeing it because I would honestly rather just like watch Netflix while I do it on my phone instead of filming. But I'll be back to show you what it's like after. So yeah. You guys, okay. Oh yes, the lovely brassy pink, because we all knew that this would happen. So this is that. I'm gonna put in the anti-brass conditioner and we're gonna see where that goes. Bye. Hi guys. So it's the next day and I don't know if you remember or if I recorded what happened yesterday. I'm pretty sure I did though, in case you didn't. To recap, there was a lot of banding, like I expected there would be, but the roots were all kinds of fucked up, and I think I recorded that. It was hot pink and shit, and then I had like the bright yellow hot root, which was gross. So instead of waiting a few weeks and just bleaching it again, like everyone else, or bleaching it like 3 times in one day, which I've done, I just decided to cover the roots in brown hair dye. And it's kind of working. It's wet right now because I put 3 Minute Miracle in it to maybe save my hair because I've damaged my hair so many times. And each time 3 Minute Miracle saved me. So that's what we're doing right now. I'm gonna drink some coffee, maybe eat something. And then when my hair is dry and my face doesn't look dumb and I actually have eyebrows, I will be back to show you the end result, or I'm gonna completely flip and dye it black. We shall see. Yeah. Hi, so this is the finished result. I'm probably gonna bleach it again in a few weeks, not right away, because what's that hair doing? Where are you going? I don't know where that hair goes. Okay, but I'm gonna bleach it again eventually, but not yet, just because there's like still a bunch of orange in there. And like the front is like blue tone because my bangs were blue before. And then the back was red as fuck. But this is, sorry, I don't know why I was tilting it. I was like acting like I was taking a selfie, but this is it for now. I dyed the roots brown because I fucked them up really badly. And so, yeah, it's kind of an ombre thing. It's pretty orange, not gonna lie, although it looks a lot different in like bathroom lighting and natural lighting than it does in my bedroom. The light is really orange in here. So there's that, but it's also pretty orange in places. But I don't hate it. Eventually I'll be more blonde, but for now this is what I'm working with. I'm surprised it actually got this light considering how much dye I had on my hair, but yeah, this is that. And yeah. Hi. So I bleached my hair maybe a week ago-ish, and I decided I was gonna tone it, but I don't have toner, so what I did is I mixed hair dye and conditioner. In this one I mixed a sort of blue dye. The pink is in there because I'll show you why in a minute, but I put the blue over my hair and left it for like a minute, and then I mixed this purpley one by putting pink in conditioner and then mixing that in with it, and I put it on my hair, and this is what that looks like. And sorry, that's gross back here. I have an undercut that's growing out that I'm gonna shave tonight probably. I don't know, but I don't know what this is gonna look like after I rinse it out. We'll see. But I thought I would just document this because I didn't upload the video yet, so I'll make this a part of it. And yeah, we shall see. Yeah. Hi. So, first I want to say sorry, my lips all red there. I was wearing lipstick earlier, and I took it off, and it's really hard to take off lipstick around the piercing, so fuck it. This is my hair after doing that weird toner thing on this side. It didn't like take, which it's like the same color as it was over here, but whatever. I think I just didn't. Sorry, I keep tilting it to the side like how I would if I was going to take a selfie, so I apologize. But yeah, I'm pretty satisfied with it. I don't know how to style my hair or what to do with my bangs as they're growing out, but I think for now this is a look. I am gonna have to redo this part. Also, if you're wondering about that choppy ass root over there, I don't know if you can see that. That is not my fault, okay? So, when I was, when I fucked up the roots, when it was just like that blondish color, I was putting brown at the roots to cover up the hot pink that was at the roots because fucking color buildup and all that good shit, you know? And so I had my friend Xavier do the back for me. He offered because he was there while I was doing it, and I was like, sure, because I can't see the back, so I'm like, he's gonna do a good job. He's gonna help me. But like, he didn't like blend that shit. Like, you can see it. Like, I know I'm not a hairstylist, and I know he's maybe gonna watch this video and get triggered, but I know I'm not a hairstylist, but like, at least like in the front where I did my hair and darkened the roots, I like blended it out, you know, like I made it look pretty decent. Like, yeah, my hair's maybe not the best right now, but you know what? It's soft, it's not falling out, it's a pretty nice silvery color. Yeah, it's fucking brassy toward the back, but I'm living for the front. It works for selfies. I think it's pretty good for given the fact that I'm not a hairstylist and I did it myself. So maybe I won't end up on that one hairstylist channel because I think this went from a fail to kind of a win. It's a look. It's definitely a look. I don't know how to style my hair at this length or what to do with my bangs. But it's a look, and my dog's coming. Stinkerbell. What are you eating? Oh, you're not eating anything. Sorry. But yeah. If you liked this video, want to see me do more fucked up shit with my hair because I shaved my undercut again. You can't see that shit. Also, I don't even shave the undercut for style purposes. It's straight up because my hair is too thick and I don't like to brush it or style it or really do anything with it. So it's just too much hair to deal with, and it's hot and it's heavy and it's gross. So I shave the under part of it. But yeah, that's my hair. And if you want to see me do more fucked up shit with my appearance, you should subscribe because there's a chance I will be shaving my head in the near future. So yeah.